So are you ready to check out the best live streaming software for Amazon influencers? I mean, if you've had trouble getting people from other platforms over to Amazon, or if you're frustrated because people on Facebook and YouTube can't see the products you're talking about, I'm talking about BeLive, and I think they want to be the #1 live streaming software for Amazon influencers. They're doing everything to help Amazon influencers. And check this out. I'm not going to waste any more of your time. Let's jump into my computer, and I'm going to show you all the bells and whistles, and you're going to be blown away. Check this out. Okay, here we are in BeLive. I don't have my camera on because I think it's going to screw up if I have the camera on the screen here. So it's got everything that you normally would expect to have over here, okay? When you're setting up streams, it's just like all the other ones. You're going to edit destinations, right? And you're going to choose your destinations from here, right? And then you're going to fill out the stream title and everything. But when the Amazon one, once you put in your stream key, the Amazon one's the only one you have to put your stream key in, right? And your server URL, but your broadcast URL, this is your show, okay? So once you have a show done, set up on your Amazon app, you put the link here, share your link to your stream, to your show, and you put that there, and it's going to integrate your show, all your product carousel, okay? You're going to be blown away. You go to live sales, right? And where's the one I want to do? Okay, the New American Dream. Now I can just add this, right? And now it's in my down here, my thing, and I show it in my screen, right? And there it is in my screen, and I can change it, and I can add a camera, and it would be sideways, side by side, right? Now, but wait a second. That's not all. But wait, all right? I'm going to go over to Facebook. Here I am in Facebook. This is the show I streamed onto my Facebook page, okay? There's the stream. That's the stream right there. Now, the comments. It posts to the comments in my Facebook, in my live stream. So in the comment section, it's posting the links to the products that brings the people to Amazon so they can buy. Okay, it's crazy. So it's automatically posting into the chat on Facebook for me, and dropping the links to Amazon products that I'm showcasing in the Amazon stream. So the people on Facebook now can see exactly what I'm talking about and have the link right there and go straight to the product. But wait, that's not all. Here we are on YouTube, right? I'm going to pause this. Same deal. All right. First of all, we're going to get to the point where the comments are put up on the screen. Okay, crazy stuff. But here's all the links. Every time I have a product on my carousel, it posts the link in the comment section on my YouTube that I'm streaming on. Okay, so there you go on that. Now the Amazon Live, right? Now whenever, let me go down here again. Whenever someone makes a comment, so you see they said Terry said looks cool. Well, you can highlight it, and you can highlight any one, and you can highlight it so it posts onto the thing there. That's pretty cool. That's pretty good engagement. All right, but wait, there's crazy stuff going on here. We got the BeLive. They just went. Daniel went live today, and I have it here. This is in their Facebook. Okay, so this is in their Facebook. This is the new snake. Okay, so when people make comments in the stream, so down here, Corinda made a comment, right? And he's the head of the stream. You can tell it's the same profile picture. So now he's the head of the stream. If I play this, right? So he's the head of the snake.
To share whatever you want. Just feel free to do whatever.
So anytime someone comments, they're going to be the head of the snake, okay? And the snake goes around. I'm going to mute it so you don't have to listen to them talking. But that's Daniel, the creator, up here in the corner. That's the creator of BeLive, okay? That's Daniel, and this is his team. We got what do we got over here? We got Grant, we got Nick Wood, and we got Steven, and we got Dr. Elo. I met Dr. Elo at People of Video. Thanks, Dr. Elo, for turning me on to BeLive. This is great software. So far, are you blown away yet? Because just by itself is going to have so much engagement. People are going to be in competition trying to get their profile picture on the top of the snake, and it's just going to run around, the top. And I think that you could have up to 78 people in the snake before it jams up and goes all the way around. Okay. Or 80 jams it up, 78 keeps it moving with one space in the middle. Right. So, and you're going to have people making comments just to get their profile picture on the snake. All right. So now we're talking engagement. We got engagement. We got posting in the Facebook groups, posting in the the links in the Facebook groups and in the YouTube groups, and we got the snake. Okay, let's go back to the Be Live Studio. Check it out. This is an amazing software. It's really for the Amazon influencer, because now your links are going to be on Facebook and LinkedIn and YouTube. Okay, so your other audiences are going to be able to see what you're doing, see what you're highlighting, and come over, click the links, and come over to Amazon and buy. Okay, and you get the credit for everything. It's beautiful, beautiful software. Thanks for Be Live. Hey, so if that didn't blow your mind, okay, there's a link down in the description for you to click on and get. I think there's a 7-day free trial to Be Live. Okay, and if you ask them nicely, they may give you an extended another 7 days. Definitely. Now, if you're an Amazon influencer and you want to talk more about Amazon influencer strategies and stuff like that, there's going to be a link for Volley down in the description. And Volley is an asynchronous app where you can talk to each other through video. I'll put a video, a 1-2 minute video, me asking a question, or you can ask a question, you put a video answering it, and we go back and forth like asynchronous videos. Check it out, Volley. We can talk more and hang out more personal level. Okay, and this is blowing me away. I love Be Live. It's great software, and boy, talk about building an audience. This is going to help a lot. So consider hitting the like button, as always, and subscribe to the channel. The next video popping up on the screen, YouTube decided is what you should watch next, and I think you should listen to them because they know better than you what you need to watch.